Bebot, bebot, bebe. Hala, si Dante to ah.
Hi everyone, I'm Dante. Oh,
Why are you here?
I just want to go to beach.
Ang random niya naman, nandito siya bigla. Kaya naman, magmumukbang kami ng Jollibee! Dante, do you know Jollibee?
Yes, I know Jollibee.
Really? Are you excited to taste the Jollibee?
Yeah, I hear Jollibee in Philippines so popular.
Yes, because it's yummy. Okay? You
But
will
a
eat all
lot.
this. You will eat all this. Can you eat all this?
If I don't, you
Then I will kick you out. Hindi. So guys, kakain na kami ng chicken joy. Papatikim natin kay Dante. Let's kagat.
Kagat, let's kagat. Juicy. Sobrang sarap.
You know that word? Who
Yeah.
taught you that?
Right now, crispy.
Si Honey Bunch.
Honey buns.
Yes. You have Jollibee in Vietnam, right?
Yeah.
Is it the same taste or is it much better in the Philippines?
I think here is better.
Really?
Yeah, because this is popular here.
You know why? Because it's more fun in the Philippines. Rate the chicken.
Ready chicken first. 9.
9 out of 10.
9 of the 10.
In the Philippines, we use kamay when we eat. Is it okay if we use our hands?
My nails.
Naka-nail siya ba? Is it detachable? Try it, okay? Big bite.
Sobrang sarap. Don't have steak like that in Vietnam.
Oh, you don't have burger steak in Vietnam?
No?
Here, burger steak is very popular because it's cheap.
This-
Rate this burger steak.
8.
Okay, 8 over 10.
Wow.
Very high ratings, ah. Okay, next is Yum Burger.
Yum burger. What
Okay, it's a regular burger. Cheers!
Cheers.
Whenever we have birthday, we bring Jollibee in the classroom.
I saw it in on TikTok.
Really?
Yeah. The bee.
It's our tradition.
But can you pick the bee here to me?
The bee is in the Vietnam. The bee is working very hard. It's not available now.
Wow.
What's your rating on Yum Burger?
7.5.
Okay, 7.5 for the Yum Burger. That's still high.
Yeah, still high.
Binilan ko siya ng mainit-init pang peach mango pie. Tignan natin kung kakayanin niya yung init nito. Huh? You're copying me. So hot like you.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Cheers. Be careful. It's hot. It's really hot.
It's good.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
Rate it.
9.
Oh, 9 out of 10. Siyempre, binilan ko din siya ng panulak niya, no? Ng vanilla float. The ice cream is swimming underneath.
Good, good.
Di ba? Nagustuhan ni Dante. How do you say masarap in Vietnam?
Ngon quá.
Ngon quá!
Together.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Ngon quá! Did I sound good?
Yeah, good.
Mahal kita.
Mahal ka dita.
Yeah!
Mahal kita. Ngon quá.
Yeah. Ngon quá! Thank you, Dante, for visiting Philippines.
Yeah.
Hug. Bye, guys!
Wow.
Okay, class. Ready na ba kayo mag-exam? Ayusin nyo lang, ha? Oh, get 1 and pass. Ha? May exam? Ha? Hindi ako nakapag-review. Paano to? Spirito ni Linda Walker, saniban mo ako! Hala, ang dali lang pala. Class! Nakaka-disappoint ang mga scores nyo, ha? Ang bababa. Pwera kay Scarlett, naka-perfect siya. OMG, perfect! Scarlett, perfect ang score mo! Ikaw ba ang Linda Walker ng Pinas? Grabe, Scarlett. Anak ka ba ni Einstein? Hindi ko inaasahan yun na, pero nagulat ba kayo? Malamang nagulat ako. Hindi ka naman talaga ganyan eh. Palagi ka nga nangongopya sa akin eh. Anong ginawa mo? Bakit ka perfect? Ano ba kayo? Stock knowledge ko lang yun. Teka lang, Scarlett, perfect ka na sana eh. Kaso hindi ka nagbabasa ng instruction. Sabi dito, all capitals ang sagot. Hindi nakakapital ang mga sagot mo. Kaya 0 ka. Malas talaga. Linda Walker na sana ako eh. Huy anak, videoan mo nga ako. Para saan, Nay? Mag-vlog na ako kasi malaki daw kinikita ng mga vloggers. Dali na. Sige. Ano ba yan? Tabingin yung camera mo. Ayusin mo naman. Diyos ko naman.
sorry, Nay.
Nakakasira na pag nasira yung video na to, ha?
Di ako marunong eh.
Kakainis to. So guys, tikman na natin na niluto kong sinigang. Okay na to. I-taste test na natin kung masarap nga ba. Sarap. Patay mo. Oh, Nay, bakit? Anong nangyari? Pangit lasa. Pero mukha naman masarap, di ba? Okay na yan. Huwag ka maingay dyan ha, mag-voice over ako. So yun nga mga kumare, magluluto tayo ngayon ng sinigang. Kaya pala ako magluluto ng sinigang para sa mga anak ko. Kaya naman mag-umpisa... Huwag ka maingay! Nagre-record ako, masisira to.
Nagugutom na ako eh.
Kaya tara, magluto na tayo. Anak, excited na ako. I-upload ko ni first vlog ko. Ayan na, uploaded na. Bakit wala pa rin nag-like, anak?
Malamang wala ka pang followers. Ano ka, artista? Magpasikat ka muna.
Ganun ba yun?